Hello, welcome to Economics. This is Introduction to Economics, chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you'll see that this corresponds to guide pages 1 and 2 in your text guide. So if you want to look those over while we do this, you can look at the PowerPoint in your packet or the note pages I have provided for you. The term economics comes from the Greek, or ekonomia, management of the household. The household, of course, was the smallest aggregated unit of economic activity in the ancient world. What does that mean for us as far as a definition? The definition of economics that we're going to be working with this year is the social science concerned with the efficient use of scarce resources to achieve maximum satisfaction of unlimited wants. Okay? Kind of a complex definition. Let's break it down into parts next. Okay, so let's look at that first part of the definition. The social science, so it's a social science. It's not a hard science. There are laws, but because of human interaction, those laws are sometimes, well, not ironclad, not absolutes. The social science considers the efficient use of scarce resources. There are 4 scarce factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. And those are limited in supply. They're not unlimited, to achieve the maximum satisfaction of unlimited wants. We have unlimited wants, unlimited desires for utility, things that give us satisfaction, and we have to use scarce resources to get there, to achieve the maximum satisfaction or the maximum combination of things that give us utility or satisfaction. So we end up with what's called the economizing problem, the foundation of economics, the basis of economics. We have unlimited wants and scarce or unlimited universal productive resources to get us to those wants that we want to obtain. Time is a scarce resource, but it's not productive. A key term is utility. Utility means satisfaction, or in some cases can mean usefulness, but in our case it means satisfaction. The pleasure or satisfaction we get from consuming a product, a good, or a service. Just like the Rolling Stones saying, "I can't get no utility." Oh, I guess that was satisfaction, wasn't it? A couple more definitions I want to throw in on here. Macro and microeconomics. Macroeconomics is large systems. We can get nations, so we're using things like gross domestic product and inflation. That's a macro concept. Micro, people, firms, and markets. Consumer choice, a company, or even the market for, say, potato chips in the United States. Even though it's a national market, it is confined to one product, therefore it would be a micro concept as opposed to GDP, which would be a macro concept. And lastly, we have 2 other terms that we want to know here: positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics means simply what is. It sounds like it's something we want to change to make something better because it's positive. It simply means the facts. If inflation was 2% last year, we may challenge the way inflation is calculated and may not like the way that it's done, but if we put the data into the formula, yes, inflation was 2% last year. Normative economics is a policy decision or a statement about what should be based on the positive information we have. If we say that the unemployment rate is 6%, that's positive economics. If we say the government should lower taxes or increase spending on public works to help ameliorate the unemployment situation, that's normative economics. What should be? Okay? Great. This ends chapter 1.